In this video, we will be looking at the AimSafety PM400 and learn how to perform a bump test, as well as calibrate the unit, using the calibration kit. To power up the PM400, press and hold the function key for 3 seconds. The unit will begin counting to 10 as the sensors begin to warm up. The LEL sensor may take up to 90 seconds to fully warm up. A bump test should be conducted before each day's use. Ensure that you are in a clean environment before performing a bump test. Navigate to the calibration screen by pressing the function key several times until the calibration menu is displayed. Press and hold the function key for 5 seconds to enter into the calibration menu. Press the function key again to navigate to the bump test screen. Press and hold the function key for 5 seconds to start the bump test procedure. Have your bottle of gas, regulator, and tubing ready. The gas no screen will appear. Apply gas by snapping the calibration cup over the sensor and opening the regulator, and the gas and screen will then appear. The monitor must be calibrated if it fails a bump test. When the screen indicates OK for all sensors, the bump test is complete. If one or more sensors say FA, meaning fail, the device will need to be calibrated before being put in use. Disconnect the calibration cap and the bump test is complete. To perform a calibration, navigate to the calibration menu by pressing the function button several times until the calibration menu appears. Press and hold the function button for 5 seconds to enter the calibration menu. Press and hold the function button for 5 seconds while the screen shows Cal 0 in order to start the zero air calibration procedure. Using fresh air around the detector, or using our zero air 20.9% oxygen calibration bottle, apply the calibration cup to the detector and turn on the gas. The detector will automatically pass or fail the zero air test after a few moments. After completing the zero air cal, press and hold the function button for 5 seconds to enter the cal span menu. Apply the cal cup to the detector and turn on the regulator on the quad gas bottle. Ensure the use by date has not expired. The detector will count down and eventually tell you if all sensors passed or failed. If a sensor fails to calibrate, try the procedure again. If it fails a second time, contact Macurco's technical support department for help.